Hi everybody, thank you for joining me here today. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm working on a 16 by 16 inch canvas and I'm doing another feather. So it'll be a string pull. Now I did this the last one and I had a few mishaps. Oh well, things happen. But I learned a lot, so that's good. So I think this one should go a lot smoother. So let's go see what happens. Okay, so this is another 16 by 16 canvas and I'm going to do another feather pull, and I've got my black paint which I'm going to pour and blow. Get the paint down, my string. That's nice. Oh, really beautiful. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay, so here it is. Look at those colors, the copper and gold and the white really are standing out beautifully. And I love how it just sweeps over and comes to an end here. It is quite stunning, this feather. I've done a series of 3 feathers and I love them all. I think this may be my favorite. Don't forget to click on the link you see now for more of my art. So I just wanted to show you the colors that I used. I used these same colors for all my feather series. There's really only 3 that I've done so far, but these are the colors I used on all 3 of them. It is the Liquitex Mars Black and the Deco Art Metallics, and I think it is called, yes, Copper. Sorry, this one here, Copper. And then just a Primo Gold with Floetrol, the white, and that's Artist Loft White, and some water. And I strained the Floetrol into the colors, and that's what I got. This beautiful, beautiful feather. All the feathers that I did are absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this too.